Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Alexa device as a Bluetooth speaker. First, ensure your Alexa device is powered on and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. It's also important to keep your Alexa device and the audio source, like your smartphone, within a range of about 30 feet for a stable connection. To begin the pairing process, simply say the voice command, Alexa, pair, or Alexa, Bluetooth. Your Alexa device will then enter pairing mode, ready to connect with your chosen audio source. Now that your Alexa device is in pairing mode, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. You should see a list of available devices. Look for your Alexa device's name, which is typically Echo Dot, Echo, or whatever you named it during setup. Once you locate it, simply tap or click on its name to select it. Your device will then attempt to establish a secure Bluetooth connection with your Alexa speaker, usually within a few seconds. With your device successfully paired, any audio you play on your smartphone, tablet, or computer will now stream directly through your Alexa speaker. You can control the playback and adjust the volume using the controls on your paired device, or by giving voice commands to Alexa, such as Alexa, volume up, or Alexa, set volume to 5. When you're finished listening, you can easily disconnect by saying, Alexa, disconnect, or by simply turning off Bluetooth on your audio source. For the best audio experience, try to keep your paired device relatively close to your Alexa speaker, ideally within 10 to 15 feet, to maintain a strong signal. If you encounter any connection problems, a quick restart of both your Alexa device and your audio source often resolves the issue. Remember, Alexa will always prioritize its own voice commands, so if you speak to it while music is playing, the audio might briefly pause. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.